Hi guys, it's Deidre from our Upcycled Life and welcome to my channel. If you like thrifting, DIYs, and repurposing, you've come to the right place and we'd love to have you follow along. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any great content. Today I'm going to show you how to age paper, just plain computer paper. So you can make it look really rustic and really old and really antique looking, and then you can add it to your projects. It's a really simple procedure, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can make it yourself. I'm actually doing a series of videos on different techniques that you can age paper. So I'll put a link below in the description for the other ones that I've done so you can go back and watch them after you've watched this one. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you how to age plain computer paper with cinnamon. To complete this technique, you'll need a little bit of paper towel, and this graphic I've printed from the Graphic Fairy. She has a wonderful website full of free graphics. I'll put the link below in the description for that. You need some cinnamon, a dish of water, a little sponge, and a spoon. The first step is to completely wet the whole paper with a sponge. Just dab the water up and down all over the whole paper. I've printed this graphic off on my LaserJet printer. It works the best with this technique. You can use an inkjet printer, but just be aware that your ink may run. And then I'm just going to use a teaspoon of cinnamon, if I can get it open, and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the paper. There's so many possibilities that you can use this aged paper for. You can use it for scrapbooking, mixed media projects. You can use it to Mod Podge on wood. You can use it to Mod Podge on canvas. Or you can just put it in a picture frame and it looks really cool. Now just take your finger and rub the cinnamon into all the little bits of the wet pieces of paper and just blend it in however you think it might look the best. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Now place the cookie sheet with the paper on it in the 200-degree oven. It'll take about 5 or 10 minutes to dry. Don't leave it, don't walk away, keep an eye on it, and when it's completely dry, it's ready to take out of the oven. Now you just want to take your paper towel and wipe off any of the dry cinnamon off the paper. Some of it will just stick to where it was wet, and the other bits will just wipe right off. Now we're ready for the final step. I like to have it nice and flat to use on my project, so I'm putting it in between two pieces of computer paper. I'm taking my iron on its lowest setting and I'm misting the paper, and then I'm going to iron it back and forth until I feel that the paper is nice and flat. And there you have your aged computer paper using cinnamon. I have a playlist with 6 other techniques on how to age paper. I'd love for you to go back and have a look, and then let me know in the comments which one you like the best. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial, and I'd love for you to like, subscribe, and follow along. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.